Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'll show you how to add months to a date in Excel, which is useful for things like tracking membership payments. Step 1. Using the EDATE function. The EDATE function calculates a date a specified number of months before or after a start date. Formula equals EDATE, open bracket, start date, comma, months, close bracket. Start date, the date you're starting from. G. Last payment date. Months, the number of months to add. For example, if the next payment is due in 12 months, you can either type 12 directly into the formula, or, better, refer to a cell that contains the number of months. Step 2. Lock the reference for copying. If you're referring to a cell for the number of months, and you plan to copy the formula down, press F4 to add $signs and lock the reference. For example, the cell reference becomes B1. If F4 doesn't work, you can type the $signs manually. Step 3. Apply the formula. Close the bracket and press Enter. Copy the formula down the column to calculate the next payment dates for all members. Step 4. Variations. Calculate a date before a certain date. Use a negative number of months, for example, -12. Calculate years into the future. Multiply the number of years by 12 in the months argument. Example: 12 times 3 to add 3 years. Copying the formula down will apply this to all rows automatically. And that's it. Using EDATE, you can quickly calculate future or past dates by months or years. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.